Getting tired of those dangling adapters hanging on your iPad? We bring you BoltHub, the best hub designed for iPad Pro, allowing you to access all your favorite ports and devices. Forget about all these expensive and single-function adapters. With BoltHub, you are able to simultaneously connect HDMI, USB-A, SD, micro SD, USB-C, and 3.5mm audio. It saves your money, helps you stay organized, and increases your work efficiency. BoltHub can be securely attached by aligning its L-shaped holder against the corner of your iPad Pro. You just plug the integrated cable to the Type-C port and slide the body to your iPad. Then you are good to go. There is a soft grip that prevents metal-on-metal scratching. It is removable in case you want to connect to your iPad Pro while using a case. With the USB 3.1 Gen 1 port, you can connect to a keyboard with fully applicable function keys, or access photos and videos from your phone on your iPad Pro, or even connect and download from your flash drive. With the SD and micro SD port, you can easily download your footage right after shooting. With the 3.5mm headphone port, you can start using your wired headphone. The HDMI port supports HD video output. You can enjoy your video on a bigger screen or project your PowerPoint to a TV. The USB Type-C port supports 60-watt PD input, fast charging the iPad as you need. The precision milled set of speakers will keep the sound as good as it was meant to be. BoltHub is small, portable, and powerful. Get it today and make the full use of your iPad. BoltHub, all ports in one sleek adapter for your iPad.